Okay guys, tara na. Fred? Ayos ka lang? I think hindi ko kaya. I'm not feeling well.
My God! For once in your life, experience mo naman sumakay ng Skyline.
Hayaan mo siya. Okay? Yeah, fine.
Inaubos mo lang yung oras namin. Anyways, tara na.
Uni. Tara na.
Pahinaan mo yung volume ng cellphone mo. Alright guys, let's go. Ano Fred? Sasakay ka o hindi? Tara na.
Ano nangyayari?
Pahinaan mo yung volume ng cellphone mo.
Wait.
Alright guys, let's go.
Wait! Teka lang! Stop! Walang sasakay! I saw it. Babagsak yung mga cable cars. Magkakaroon ng malfunction. Tapos maraming mamamatay.
What?
Mamamatay tayong lahat.
Ano na naman pauso to? Nagbibiro ka ba?
Hindi namin maintindihan. Kumalma ka, please. Nagsasabi ako ng totoo. Parang nangyari na. Parang deja vu. Walang sasakay dito.
I'm getting out of here.
Kailangan natin umalis dito. Ngayon na. Bilis! Umalis na tayo.
Okay, chill ka lang.
My God! Sinayang mo lang yung oras natin. Pati yung bayad.
Fred, ayos ka lang? Paano mo nasabi na babagsak yung cable car? May hunch ka ba or ano?
Hindi ko alam. Basta nakita ko lang.
I told you all! Sana nag-snow sliding na lang tayo.
Megan, takot si Baby Sadge sa snow sliding. Pupunta na
Whatever.
ako ulit sa receptionist and tignan ko kung pwedeng makarefund doon.
Paano mo nalaman?
Welcome to your night shift at Shawarma Kiosk. Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Turn on the grill. Great. Now,
Excuse me. Out of the way, please. Out of the way! Weirdo? Excuse me. Hey. Hi? Two shawarma, please.
Two.
Yeah. And make it quick. Look who's here. Oh. Hey, you guys. What are you doing here? I was about to ask the same thing. Anong ginagawa niyo dito? Isn't it obvious? Nagugutom kami kaya nag-order kami ng shawarma. Though whatever.
Guys, wait. Where's Baby Saja? He's on the way. By the way, Fred, ayos ka na ngayon? So far, okay naman. Pero, I'm having these visions. What vision? I don't know. Parati ko napapaginipan yung mga cars. What do you mean?
Or, maybe it's a sign. na gusto mo na bumili ng car.
Megan, stop it. Okay, hindi na magandang biro yan.
Whatever.
Oh, Baby Saja is here! Hindi yan siya marunong tumawid. Utang, ina mo, gusto mo makamatay!
He's such a baby. Kaya nga Baby Saja yung pangalan niya. Wala ka bang utak? Ikaw yung walang utak.
Okay, ako na mag-aalala sa kanya, okay? Wait for me, dude! Megan, you're next!
Just stay away from me.
Megan, teka lang!
What was that? Listen, bitch. If you want to stay alive, makinig ka kay Fred. If I'm next, then so be it. Asan na si Death? Huh? Nasaan na siya? What are you waiting for? Huh? Are you crazy? Death doesn't announce his arrival right now.
Guys, wait. I think he's about to make a move. But I don't know what it is. Kailangan nating umalis dito. Megan, sa likod mo! Are you okay?
Maybe Death doesn't come for me. Cause that would be fucking crazy.
Hello, Fred?
Hello! Baby Saja! Nasaan ka ngayon?
I'm in sauna right now. Bakit?
What? No! Kailangan mong umalis dyan! Ngayon din!
Ha? Ano? Wait, ano? Hello?
Hello!
Uni, kailangan nating umalis. Kailangan nating puntahan si Baby Saja.
Halika na!
Uni, tara na.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Kailangan na nating umalis dito.
Why? We can't escape Death.
Kailangan natin magpakalayo-layo.
Fred? Are we safe?